hawa diha, Celine.
I cried so
Celine.
hard.
Celine, hawa diha ba?
This tears
Celine, hawa.
can bring back my sister to life. My being brought here by my conscience. I want to ask forgiveness. But can you still hear? Oh, heart, forgive me for what I've done. Please bring peace to mind. Drive me for crash down below.
Celine, ay kung luhag ka.
Her very precious life perished
Luhag
because
ka,
of my selfishness. She was my only sister. Since our childhood, I always believed that
Luhag man
I
kay
was
siya.
dead. One night, while I was facing all of us to the mirror with my micro mini, I paused father when I saw Louisa's face reflecting on the mirror. You kept it up night, Louisa. I heard a threatening tone from her. I turned to her, but I can't resist as her sharp stared at me. And say so, my dear sister. We are to celebrate Mama's death anniversary. You know that, don't you?
Ayaw ko isugat ani kay kuan mo magtali ko.
Oh well, I
Isa
don't
man
care.
pagkuan
I told you
isa.
I'm quiet tonight.
Unsa man?
Then I heard a knock at the
Isa
door.
man.
I shouted, "Help, Papa! Help!" For I knew that it was
Dili na ni mas.
I pulled my hair.
Gamay pa man.
I
Awa na.
tore my dress away as if I was jacket as what monstrous creatures.
Ana ba kay
When the door
kadtong imo
opened,
pag ana-ana
the
dito.
side box was that Louisa
Magbaliktad mo
was holding my
tan-aw.
neck, who was trying to make
Mao
me
imo
rescue.
gud.
But I cried so hard that made Papa drew to the height of anger. He drew Louisa to the corner where the head of my poor sister was hit at the edge of the chair.
Nakala kang video.
I slowly rejoiced
Ayun.
for I had made a successful revenge. But when she looked at, I saw a different sparkle in her tearful eyes.
Sparkle.
Ayaw lugi. Kang siyo. Diwas be, hawa na gud.
Oh my! Louisa! She was out of her mind. I was not able to move as well as Papa. Both of us were motionless. And before we returned to our senses, Louisa ran to the door and proceeded to the open gate of our house. We
Ayaw.
ran to her and called out her name. Louisa! Sister! Louisa! The shop! No! Louisa, don't touch the door! Louisa, don't! The next sight I saw was that Louisa was going 5 meters away from the shop. I ran to her and embraced her. Blood was all over her face. In a low and distinct voice, she
Ayaw
murmured
luya. Just
that
sila.
made my